Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, August 23rd, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having ham and cheese croissant. For lunch, it's chicken bites. Tomorrow, for breakfast, we will not be having breakfast at school tomorrow. Today's announcements. I hope all of our students brought back the device agreements and acceptable use policy forms today. Hopefully this will be our last day or two of collecting these forms. If you have a form, please get those out of your backpack now and out of your folder and turn them in to your teacher. Tomorrow there will be a Learn at Home day. Your teachers will give you an assignment to take home. You will bring it back complete or completed online by Wednesday. Your teachers will give you more instructions about this today. Today's late duty person is Miss Overstreet. Important dates. August 24th, which is tomorrow, is going to be a Learn at Home day. Students do not report to school tomorrow. September 3rd is our deadline for the vector training. Those are due to Nurse Eaton. And September 6th is Labor Day, no school. The Environmental Studies Center is hosting an art contest. The theme is Wildlife of Mobile. All the students at our school are invited to participate. You can see Miss O'Neill, the art teacher, or ask your teacher for more information. Today's word of the day is area. The area is the measure in square units of the inside of a plane figure, okay? So how much space is inside a figure is the area. So for this example, there's 2 rows of 5 blocks, or 10 square units, because 2 times 5 is 10. And if you counted all those blocks on the inside of that figure, that would be 10 square units. So area is how much is on the inside of a figure. And you multiply length times width to get the area. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.